Good morning, everyone. I am Parambrata Shah from PS Motors, and today we are standing in front of Civica Kia. This is in Salt Lake. You will get the address in the description. And let's get inside of this showroom and have a look at the wide range of cars they are having. So, guys, this is the Kia Seltos GT line, and this is the car key. It gets lock, unlock, boot release, and horn button. Let's unlock the car. So this car gets a really beautiful look. It gets the Kia signatured tiger nose grille, full LED lights, and first in the segment, these are the Ice Cube fog lamps, which are also in LED. Now, since this is the GT line, guys, you will get a GT line badging on the grille and red inserts in various other parts also in the car, which gives it a sporty look. Now, on the bonnet, it gets character lines for bold look, and for this chrome patch, it also gets an elegant look. Now, one interesting thing of this car is it may be the headlight up to here, but the DRLs are extended up till the front, which is a great touch from Kia. Coming to the side profile of this car is really very good looking from the side too. And since it's a GT line, as I said earlier, it gets again a red insert here. Talking about the wheels, this car gets very sporty looking alloy wheels with red brake calipers, and the Kia badging in the center is also in red. I mean, the outlining is done with red for better sporty look. You get indicators on the ORVMs. There is a chrome border in the window lining up till the end, and the grab handles are also in chrome. You get a request sensor, but only in the driver's side. Now, talking about the rear profile of this car gets again a chrome garnish rather on the bonnet, which is extended up till the tail lights, which are actually in a elegant look and segregated in between. And a part is there in the side profile and the part is there on the boot. Now, it gets a high mount stop lamp with an integrated spoiler. It gets a shark fin antenna, rear wiper, and this is the rear defogger. Now you get the badging for the Kia Seltos GT line, everything. You get again a red insert here with fake exhaust for sporty feeling. You get rear parking sensors, reflectors, and TGDI badging up here. Now let's talk about the boot. So it's a really spacious boot, and of course you can hang this parcel tray here for it to move up. Let me fix this, then you can have a greater look. Yeah. So this is the boot. It's a very spacious boot, very less loading hip, So you can easily put your luggages inside here. You have got storage compartments here at both the sides of the boot. We have got a lamp, and you get the toolkit and the spare wheel down here. Overall, it's a very spacious boot. Now you will be able to see the actual liters on your screens. And now let's close it and get inside of this car and talk about the interiors. So guys, here we are inside the Kia Seltos. It's a really very comfortable interior of this car, which you are seeing, and it gets a leather wrap steering wheel, which is flat bottom. It gets both tilt and reach adjustability. It gets a automatic climate control and a automatic auto dimming rear view mirror. And this is the beautiful touchscreen for this car, which is pretty user friendly and readable. And these are the AC controls. You get one USB socket, two USB sockets with one 12-volt power socket down there. This is the auto gear for the auto gear transmission for this, and you can actually select the drive and the drive modes in this car by using this button. And these are the shift lock, shift release, and the gear shift for this car, which is again it's leather wrapped. You get a glove box which is pretty usable and deep. This dashboard is actually in hard plastics, but the texture is very good. You get a part which is leather wrapped, and you get stitching patterns here. This is the sunglass holder. These are the ceiling lights. Talking about the sun visors, you don't get any kind of LED lights, but only the mirror, and you get nothing for the driver side. It gets a heads up display here, which will show you after some time. Now this is the handrest, which is openable and usable. It's pretty deep in. This is the manual handbrake. So once again, this is the armrest, which is deep and usable. This is the manual handbrake. With this button, you can actually see different views of the cameras in this car. Now talking about the steering wheel again, it gets a flat bottom steering wheel, and you get control for cruise controls on the right side, and on the left side you get the controls for the infotainment display. These are the light controls. These are the wiper controls. This is the push start button. These are the traction control button and other buttons for the headlamps and other controls. You got a space. No, this is not a space. It's not openable actually. It's a fuse box, I guess. And these are the sporty paddles, which is really good designed. You get the full lever for the bonnet there. So these are the infotainment systems control. This is the Kia badging. This is the cruise control for this car. And overall, it's a really appealing steering wheel because of this silver button. Okay. And talking about the door pockets, you get decent amount of space, but you can easily keep half a liter of bottle in every 4 doors. For this, the silver panel and the materials used are really very great. You get speakers. This is the tweeter. So these are the mirror controls for the ORVM controls. These are the power window switches, which are one touch up and down. This part is a bit leather wrapped, which is soft. Overall, it's a very good cabin. And now let's get in the rear side of this car and have a look how space is out there. Oh, hello guys. I'm in the back seats of the Kia Seltos, and this is also a really spacious cabin. Like the front seats are adjusted according to my height, and I've got ample amount of leg room. I can really stretch out myself. I've got huge amount of knee room too, and these are the grab handles. And in these rear seats, you get a sun blind, which is really very useful in a city like Kolkata, where the sun is a great, huge factor for people. Now you get armrest here, including two cup holders, and this is upright, so you don't have to really adjust this. Now, since we are facing this pandemic situation of COVID-19, this car is offering you a smart air purifier, which is really great touch from Kia in this segment. It gets rear AC vents, including a fast charging USB socket for your mobile phones. Now, this car's middle hump is not so high, therefore, three people can easily accommodate in these seats, and it's a really very spacious cabin with these windows for which you don't feel claustrophobic inside this cabin. So guys, now let's open the bonnet and have a look at the heart of this car. So guys, that was all about this Kia Seltos. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and we are keeping a like target of around 50 likes. And please subscribe to my channel. You are seeing the videos but you're not subscribing. That is very bad. And please comment down if you have any suggestions. So that was all about it. Hope you like this. Signing out.